Violet from Violet Catherine T. So I'm here with my cousin.
Violet from LCVH.
And she's going to pop randomly in the video. So comment down below how much time she popped out. Stop!
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to be mixing these two slimes. I'm going to tell you about them. This one's like a forest green. And I have these little things, like some of them are pumpkins that I sometimes add, but I took them all out. And I got this one, it's party cake because it's yellow and it has lots of little like glitters in it. So I'm scared for what color this is gonna make. I have no idea. We didn't take like a little bit of this and a little bit of that and mixed it. I haven't mixed it all. So I'm gonna mix it all. I'm scared. I know it's probably.
Oh my god.
It's probably.
You're doing that?
Yeah. It's probably gonna make a lighter green, or it's probably not gonna do anything.
I didn't think you were going to do that.
Did you think I was gonna do a little bit?
Yeah.
The whole thing. It didn't really do a difference. It just made the slime big.
Wait, there's still yellow popping up under. Oh, there's still a little bit yellow in the bag.
Yep, I knew it. It's not gonna do anything. No, really. Like, look at the color. It didn't.
I mean, it changed like a shade, but that's it. Right? More yellow.
Why do you always say right?
Or actually.
I used to always say in real life.
Yeah.
And I used to say right, but now she does, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, I don't know why. It got a little tougher. Oh no. And this, oh, I forgot to show you, but my green slime was like the best slime ever. It was so stretchy and it was like this. And it was like so fluffy. Even though we didn't add shaving cream, we just added this gallon of glue. We just added this gallon of glue and Tide and sprinkles. I was about to say sprinkles. Glitter and food coloring. So I hope you like this slime. And you want to show your slime? She just mixed.
Behind the camera, I did a video mixing a little bit of it,
But now she mixed all of it.
and I made a cool little slime.
She made a green. She did green and purple. And
You can't really pick it up on camera.
It's gonna make gray.
But it made a pretty color though.
Yeah, but you did mix all of it in. So listen to these. I'm actually kind of getting better at slime bubbles. I just stand up and do it because it's easier. Lila's slime is easy for doing slime bubbles. Yep,
But
totally.
it might not be anymore.
I'm going to try to do a slime bubble with yours. Ooh. Okay, so you see the gray color that she made? See? Oh! Made a little one. It's dead.
That looks like a chicken.
Okay, bye. If I could even get this off my